Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 21st, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, overall, I still think this is an A or a 1, probably an A. Three waves up, either B or 2, probably B. And I still think it's going to end up continuing down, making a downtrend for probably a wave C or maybe even a wave 3. Either way, should lead to a very strong move to the downside. So, going down to the daily time frame, very odd looking pattern. To me, it still looks extremely corrective. I still think it is a 1 and a 2. I'm actually very suspicious of this move down that we had at the interest rate yesterday. I actually think that this might even actually go back up, maybe even all the way up to one of these last Fibonacci levels, before it really does end up continuing the downtrend for that big ass wave 3 that we have been waiting for. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely a very, very sharp move to the downside, but to me it does have a three-wave look to it. It does have a Fibonacci bounce. This easily could just make a correction and just keep on trending down, so definitely be aware that that is probably a likely possibility. But to me, three waves down, Fibonacci bounce, looking at the higher time frames may not even be over. It also may just keep on trending up, so we definitely need to be aware that we have a couple possibilities going on right now, and I definitely do have a solution on the shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have the end of a trend right here. We do have a break of structure to the upside in a couple of different places. So obviously for me, this is either an A or a 1. This correction is either a B or a 2. Then if we go long at the end of the wave B and it goes up and then breaks structure to the downside, we could exit our longs and then go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if this really is a wave 3, then we would not see that break of structure. We would just see higher highs, higher lows, and it would just keep on trending up in a big wave 3. So I am definitely looking to enter at the end of this B or 2, and then I will learn and earn whether it does this with a break of structure, proving that it's a wave C, and if it does, I'll exit my longs and go short. Or if it doesn't do that, then I'll just hold on to my longs and I'll enjoy the profit to the upside for the wave 3. Either scenario, I don't really care what it does, because either way, I don't really need to know exactly what's happening next to make a really good profit in these markets. I'll just learn and earn at the same time whether we're looking at a wave C or whether we're looking at a wave 3. If it is a wave C, I'll make a little bit of money to the long side, and then I'll make a lot of amount of money to the short side. If it's a wave 3, I'll make a lot amount of money to the long side, and I won't go short for the continuation of the downtrend because it will never give me that break of structure telling me that it really is a wave C. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.